Namaste. Welcome to another session of Elevate Yoga with me, Shweta. And today's session, you very well know, it's the session with weights. In today's session, we'll be working with the entire body. Always remember not to use heavy weights. Anywhere between 1 to 3 kgs is ideal. If you don't have weights, use a water bottle filled with water, or you make a tight fist, visualize yourself holding weights. So I hope you're ready to ace today's class and wait till the end of the session till I tell you the challenge of the day. Keeping all this in our minds, let's begin with centering. Sit in Vajrasana. Roll the shoulders back. Rest your palms on your thighs. Eyes closed. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Facial muscles relaxed. Take your awareness to your body. Feel the parts of your body touching the mat. Awareness to your breath. Just observe how, without any effort, the breath flows on its own. As you feel the breath, increase the length of your inhales and your exhales. Make this as your last round. Join your palms in Namaskara. Let us chant 3 Oms. Inhale. Inhale. Breathe in. Bring your chin to your chest. Open your palms. Blink open your eyes. Be seated in Vajrasana. Let's begin with warm-up. Roll the shoulders back. Interlock your fingers behind your body. Inhale, lift the chest, bring the shoulder blades closer. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, forehead closer to the floor. Work on lifting the arms up, stretching the shoulders. Inhale, lift the chest, bend back. Exhale, fold forward. 3 more rounds. Breathe in, lift the chest, bend back. Breathe out, fold forward. Stretch the shoulders. Inhale, arch the spine, bring the shoulder blades closer. Exhale, fold forward. One last round. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Come on all fours. Keep your knees and your feet hip width apart, toes tucked in. I want you to turn your palms which helps to work and strengthen your forearms. From here, we'll do spinal circles. You arch the spine, take the spine to the right, round the spine. Keeping it rounded, take it to the left and again arch. Do it in the same side. Arch, go with me, right, round, keep it rounded, left, arch, right, round. This works on your wrist as well. Left, arch. Now change the direction. Keep the arch, move the spine to the left, round the spine, go to the right, keeping it rounded, arch. Two more. Arch, keep looking down, round, right, down. Last round. Left, round, right, down. Now release the palms. Step back to downward facing dog. We do one more warm up. Inhale, lean forward to plank. Exhale, bring your knees, lean forward, elbows going back, bring the forehead down. Again, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 4 more rounds. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee and forehead. If you're not able to reach, it's fine. Just stay halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee and forehead down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 2 more rounds. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee and forehead. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Last round. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee and forehead. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold down dog. Stretch the spine, the sides of your body for 3, 2, 1. Look in between your palms. Step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Palms on your waist. Inhale, come all the way up. Let's do few rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar, where we do different variations in plank. Feet together, palms at your heart center. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, Uttanasana. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Jump or step back to plank, feet hip width apart. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Chaturanga or knee down Chaturanga or knees, chest and chin. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees and thighs off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold down dog for 3 breaths. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana, flat back. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Now from here, come on your forearms for elbow plank. Engage the core, look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Without dropping your knees, come to high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga, or you know the variation. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. End of 3, look in between, jump or step, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, look up. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. Lean forward slightly, lift the right leg off, point the toes back for 5, 4. Don't lift it too high. 3, 2, 1. Right leg down, lift the left leg off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths in down dog. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana, round 4. Inhale, arms from the sides. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. Feet is hip width apart. Now lean towards your left palm without lifting the hip. Stretch the right arm forward. 5. Any variation challenging, you will hold plank. 3, 2, 1. Right palm down. Lift the left arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold down dog for 3, 2, 1. Look in between, jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. One last round. Inhale, arms from the sides. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Jump or step back to plank. From here, pressing the right palm, come to right hand side plank. Lift the left arm up, feet on top, in front or bent. But make sure your hip is lifted. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left palm down. Lean towards the left hand. Lift the right arm up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 3 breaths. End of 3. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen up. Exhale, Samastiti. Separate your feet, separate your arms, close your eyes. Stay still. Feel the body. Warming up the body is very important as it improves the blood circulation, less injuries, and better range of motion. When the muscles are warmed up, you perform much better. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes. Now, one of the reasons why I decided to add weights with the sessions was to include the benefits of equipment training with yoga. When you combine yoga with strength, which means with adding weights, there is a sense of routine that's created which impacts not just your body but also your mind and soul. And when we hold the postures static and when we are doing dynamic movements, the activation of the muscles becomes more, and which will help to build more strength. And as the name suggests, Elevate Yoga, you will be elevated in all the aspects of fitness. Now let's begin. You know, when it is weight, we start every movement from downward facing dog. We do dynamic and then we hold. So let's begin. Keep the weights in front of you. I hope it is handy, and also remember, don't try to go heavy. Okay, keep it very light. Come to downward facing dog. Today we work with the full body. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Place the left knee down, take the weights. Now, in case you find it hard holding warrior one, you will place the knee down. Just watch the movement since your knees is down. Inhale, you will stretch your arms up. Exhale, you will twist towards the knee which is bent and bend the elbows. Okay, so your elbow will come in line with the shoulder. So this will be your inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. But we challenge by lifting the knees off the mat. And go with my count, don't be in a hurry. Okay, lift the left knee off. Left heel off the mat, sink the hips. Warrior one. Keep the dumbbells on your shoulders. Inhale, stretch the arms up. Exhale, twist to the right and bend the elbow. Inhale, turn forward, stretch the arms up. Exhale, twist. I know your thighs will burn, but hold on. Inhale, exhale. Go with me. Sink the hips. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale and hold. 5, 4. If it gets challenging, you can drop the knee, but don't stop. 2, 1. Come back to center. Place the weights down. Step back. Downward facing dog. You could feel, right, your entire body, the static hold of Virabhadrasana 1, the dynamic movement of your upper body. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. First, place the knee down. Take the dumbbells, place them on top of your shoulder. Okay, let's challenge. Lift the right knee off. It's a wider stance. Now, don't stay here to make the movement easy. Challenge your body, challenge your mind. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist and bend the elbows. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist and bend. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale and hold for 5, 4, sink 3, 2, 1. Exhale, place the dumbbells down, step back, downward facing dog. Place the knees down, sit back, Shashankasana. Feel the body, your arms, your core, your thighs, everything working for you. And also adding weights to your yoga practice is a fun routine which you can do. And it's an excellent way to build strength, your endurance, flexibility. Lift the chest up, step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, stretch the right leg up. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Stretch the left leg back, place the knee down. Toes pointing back. Like how you get into Anjaneyasana, I want you to sink the hips. Only thing is you're not going to bend back. Once you sink the hips, take the dumbbells. Keep holding, working on the hip flexor and stretching your quadriceps. You will bring your wrist in line with the elbow. This will be your inhale, exhale. So don't bring it full. Okay, it's only till your elbow. Let's begin. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale and begin to pulse. Short pulses for 10, 9. Sink the hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. release, step back, downward facing dog. Just pedal your feet. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. Stretch the right leg, knee down, toes pointing back. I want you to sink the hips. Take the dumbbells, keep the chest lifted. Now bring the wrist in line with the elbow. This is called as hammer curl. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now begin to pulse, short pulses. Feel your upper arm biceps. 10, 9. Keep the chest lifted. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, step back, downward facing dog. Place your knees down, sit back, Shashankasana. Keep your arms beside the body. Stay with your breath. So always remember, if you want to add weights to your yoga practice, you shouldn't be going heavy because already you're holding a static hold with your yoga asana, which itself challenges your body. Stretch your arms forward, lift your knees up, come to downward facing dog. From down dog, look in between your palms, step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Lift the weights and come up. Now we hold Utkatasana. Make sure when you hold Utkatasana, all the 10 toes are visible. And I don't want you to lean forward. Keep the chest lifted. Sink the hips. You bring the elbow close to your rib cage. Okay? Now your elbow is fixed. You look forward. Inhale. Bend your elbows. Exhale. And feel. You will feel it on your back of your arms, your triceps, where you're holding Utkatasana, strengthening your lower body. Okay? We do this for about 5 times, and the 5th time we start to pulse. Make sure you're not swinging like this. You use the muscle activation and not momentum. Okay, all of you come to Utkatasana. Keep your elbows bent. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch the arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Very nice. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, hold it for 5, 4, sink the hips, 3, chest lifted, 2, 1. Now begin to pulse, short pulses, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, I can feel it, the entire body working, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the legs, dumbbells down, step back, downward facing dog. Place the knees down. Sit back in Shashankasana or Vajrasana. Just feel. I hope you can feel every muscle, every part of your body working. This is an excellent practice to even train your mind, coordinating the movement with the yoga asana. Strengthens the mind as well. Gently blink open your eyes. Next will be a balancing posture. You will come to downward facing dog. Everyone come to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. You'll bring your right foot in between your palms. Now take the dumbbells. Just bring the left leg down and come up to standing. You will place the dumbbells on top of your shoulder. Make sure you don't lean back, which means you won't be utilizing your core. So I want you to engage the core. Shift your body weight to your right leg, left knee. This will be your left knee and ankle in one line. Inhale, exhale. Toes pulled towards you. We do this for 5 times and then we hold. Do it along with me. Don't be in a hurry. Left knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten the leg forward. Inhale. Bend your knee. Dumbbells down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Hold it here for 5. Fix your gaze. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Lift the left leg up. Don't lean. 5. Stretch the arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the foot down. Dumbbells down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Just pedal your feet up and down in down dog. Change sides. Inhale. Lift the left leg up. Exhale. Left foot in between your palms. Take the dumbbells. Bring the right foot forward. Lift the chest up. Dumbbells on the shoulders. Right knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten the leg and the arms. Inhale. Go easy. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Avoid leaning back. Lift the right leg up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee. Place the foot down. Dumbbells down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Separate your feet wider than the hip. Walk your palms back. Malasana. Palms together. Keep your eyes closed. Just stay here for a few breaths. It's a new routine which we've added weights in the yoga practice. It will take some time for our body to respond. But it's never too late to start. It's just everything is about practice and consistency. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, blink open your eyes. Be seated in Malasana and just watch the next. We will lift the right leg up, right foot. You will come to Parshva Konasana or the side angle pose. Once you come, you will take your dumbbells. I'll give you options. You will keep one dumbbell resting on the thigh. The other elbow will come in front. Okay, from here. You're in Parshva Konasana, working on your inner thighs and groins. And then you're working with your arms. So you will bring inhale, exhale. Okay, inhale, exhale. If it is too much, you can drop this weight and do the same thing. Okay, let's begin. Come to downward facing dog. Inhale, stretch the right leg up. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Left heel grounded. It's a wide stance. Don't keep it short. Now take the dumbbells, come up. Rest the left hand on the left thigh. Right elbow in front of the knee. Stretch. Okay, keep the chest open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, press the feet. Exhale. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Reach the dumbbell down. Lift the left arm up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the dumbbells forward. Step back. Downward facing dog. Just pedal your feet in down dog. I hope you're feeling the burn, feeling the asana, feeling the weight, the resistance in the body. Inhale, stretch the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. Right heel grounded. Wider stance, remember. Left knee and ankle in one line. Right arm to the right thigh. Left elbow in front. Keep the chest open, sink the hips. Inhale. Exhale. Now don't lean forward. Open the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. One last. Inhale. Exhale. Place the dumbbell down. Lift the right arm up. Breathe. Sink the hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Be careful. Release the dumbbells down. Step back. Downward facing dog. Place the knees down. Sit back. Vajrasana. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the breath. Gently blink open your eyes. It's time for our core. Now, you will come to Navasana. You can either use 2 dumbbells or just 1 dumbbell. Okay? And another option, knees can be bent or knees straight. But make sure you don't round the spine. Keep the chest lifted. Watch the movement. You will stretch the arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then we hold. The same thing you can do with knees bent. Okay, I hope you're ready. You want to add more challenge? You can use 2 weights and do the same thing. Inhale, exhale. Okay, let's begin. Make sure you're sitting on your sit bones. Lean back, chest lifted. Decide on your weight. Decide on your knees. Start. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, right. Inhale, left. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. 2 more. Don't give up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale and hold. 5. I want a smile on your face. 4. Arms straight. 2. I forgot the count. It's 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, left. 5. Don't give up. 4, 3. Chest lifted. 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale and release. Join the soles of your feet in butterfly. Palms to face up. Round the spine. Passive stretch. Just relax here. Navasana. The boat pose with a few twists with the weight. I'm sure after the practice your body will thank you, and I'm sure you will feel stronger and more confident. Lift the chest up. Lie down on your back. Now you'll come to bridge pose and just watch the movement. Once you lie down, your knees and your feet will be hip width apart. You will stretch both your arms up. Okay, this will be your inhale. You will take your dumbbells all the way up. Exhale, down. Okay, so when you're doing this, you're not bending the elbows. Your arms are straight and see if you can reach all the way up. Let's begin. Lift the hips up. Take the dumbbells all the way back. Inhale. Exhale, hips down, dumbbells up. We'll do this for 8 rounds. Inhale, engage the glutes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift the hips up. exhale. 4 more rounds. Inhale, go easy, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, lift the hips up, arms away, hold it here. Engage the glutes for 5, 4. Bring the chest to the chin. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, place the hips down, bring the dumbbells back. Now we are done with the weights. You can keep it aside. Bring the thighs to your chest. Just rock left to right, right to left couple of times. Now let's end it either with Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose, or Chakrasana. You can choose. Keep your knees and your feet hip width apart. Inhale, lift the hip up. You either interlock your fingers or you place the palms beside your ears and lift up to Chakrasana. So you have both the options, but we will hold it for about 8 counts. Okay, let's begin. Choose either bridge or Chakrasana. Those who are trying Chakrasana, you can just place the crown of your head and stay here. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the chin to the chest. Lower down on the mat. Stretch your arms in line with the shoulders. Just drop your knees left to right, right to left couple of times. Massaging your spine. I will take a spinal twist, Supta Garudasana. For that, if the weights are on your way, just keep it aside. Stretch your arms in line with the shoulders. Take the right knee over the left. You can stay here or double lock. Inhale, exhale. Place both the knees to the left side. Make sure you don't lift the shoulders up. Breathe. Keep your eyes closed. We stay here for a while, just stretching the entire body here. Come back to center. Uncross the legs. Left knee over the right, double lock. Breathe in. Breathe out. Knees to the right, head to the left. A little soreness is absolutely fine. If you experience soreness, don't stop your practice. Continue with your practice. It will make you feel better. Inhale, come back to center. Uncross your legs. Lie down on your back for Shavasana. Make any adjustments you want right away and stay still. No other movement. Shoulders relaxed. Take your awareness to your breath. We do few rounds of breath retention. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale completely. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale out. Do this for few rounds on your own. Every round holding the breath for 5 counts. Make this as your last round. Experience the present state of your mind. Gently move your fingers, toes, head left to right, right to left. Legs together, arms stretched over your head. Interlock your fingers, give your body a nice long wake up stretch. Stretch your body. Release your arms, bend your knees, roll over to your right side. Stay here for a couple of breaths. With closed eyes, come to a comfortable seated posture, keeping your back straight, palms at your heart center. Gratitude to your body, gratitude to your breath. 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Take a deep breath in. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, make it warm. Place them on your eyes. Take your palms away with a few blinks. Look into your palm. With that, we come to an end of this session. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're feeling great. Well, it's not a challenge of the day, but I want you to post an asana with your choice of favorite weight variation. I will look forward to seeing your posts or videos on our Facebook community, Stronger Together with CultFit Hope. This is me, Shweta, saying Namaste.